In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to color code or highlight your emails in Gmail. This is a fantastic way to organize your inbox visually and make sure you never miss important messages. So let's jump right in and get organized. To start, you'll need to open your Gmail account in your preferred web browser. Once you've logged in, head over to the search bar at the top. This search bar is your gateway to finding any email or category of emails you're looking to organize. Click on the small downward-facing triangle on the right to open the advanced search options. Here, you can enter specific criteria to filter emails you want to highlight. This could include emails from a particular sender, emails containing specific keywords, or even emails sent within a certain date range. After you've input the criteria, click the Create Filter link, which you'll find at the bottom right corner of this drop-down menu. This step is important as it allows you to process the filtered emails easily by setting specific conditions. Once you click on this link, you'll be directed to a new dialog box with several options. Now, for color coding, check the option that says Apply a Label. Clicking this will present you with a list of existing labels, or you can create a new one. Labels are like folders, but with a versatile twist, allowing you to assign multiple labels to a single email. So go ahead and either select an existing label or choose New Label to make something brand new. Creating a clear and descriptive label name will help you quickly identify categories in your inbox. With the label chosen, take a moment to think about how you'd like to assign colors to your labels. To do this, navigate to the left sidebar of your Gmail, where your labels are listed. Hover over the label you've just created or assigned, and click on the 3 vertical dots next to it. This opens a menu where you can find the label color option. Click on it and choose your preferred color. This is a great way to match colors to different categories, ensuring a visual reminder every time you scan your inbox. Finally, don't forget to save your changes by clicking the Create Filter button. And just like that, your designated emails are instantly labeled, color-coded, and neatly highlighted in your inbox. You now have a strikingly organized inbox that visually prioritizes what's important to you. So, there you have it, a simple yet effective way to keep your Gmail organized and efficient. Color coding gives you the power to transform a chaotic inbox into a streamlined, visually engaging platform that helps you manage your emails with ease. Try it out and enjoy a more colorful and organized email experience.